Dear students, you are advised that stationery shops are opening. Purchase your books and copies so that you can do your work in fair copies. Students, on previous days we have finished exercise 1A and today we will begin exercise 1B. Students, in exercise 1A we had learned how to add and subtract integers. In exercise 1B we will learn multiplication of integers. First one is 16 by 9 is equal to 16 multiplied by 9. Here we are looking that both integers are in positive sign, therefore 16 multiplied by 9 is equal to 144. Third one is 36 by minus 11 is equal to 36 into minus 11. Here we are looking that 36 is in positive sign and 11 is in negative, therefore result will be in negative sign, and 36 multiplied by 11 is equal to minus 396. Fifth one is minus 553 by 18 is equal to minus 53 into 18. Here 53 is in negative sign and 18 is in positive, therefore result will be in minus sign, and the product of minus 53 and 18 will be minus 954. Seventh one is 0 by minus 23 is equal to 0 multiplied by minus 23 is equal to 0, and 0 has neither negative nor positive. Ninth one is minus 105 by minus 8 is equal to minus 105 into minus 8. Both integer have negative sign, therefore the result will be in positive, and 105 into 8 is equal to 840. Therefore the product of minus 105 and minus 8 will be 840. Here 11th one is minus 28 by minus 1 is equal to minus 28 into minus 1. Both the integer have negative sign, therefore the result will be in positive, and 28 ones are 28. Second one is find each of the following product. First one is 3 into 4 into minus 5. 3 into 4 is equal to 12 into minus 5. Now 12 is in negative sign, positive sign, and 5 is in negative, therefore the result will be in negative, and 25 is 60. Third one is minus 5 into minus 8 into minus 3. Here 8 and 5 is in negative sign, therefore result will be in positive, 8 5 is 40 into minus 3, and minus 3 into plus 40 is equal to minus 120. Fifth one is 7 into minus 8 into 3. Here 7 into minus 8 into 3. 7 into 8 will be in negative sign because 8 is in negative sign and 7 is positive, therefore 7 8 is 56, minus 56 into 3 is equal to 168, and sign will be negative because minus 56 is in negative sign and 3 is in positive. Third, find each of the following product. Minus 4 into minus 5 into minus 8 into minus 10. Here minus 4 into minus 5 is equal to 20 because both have negative sign, therefore the result will be in positive, and multiplied by minus 8 into minus 10, result will be in also positive, 10 8 is 80, therefore 20 into 80 is equal to 1600. Third one is minus 60 into minus 10 into minus 5 into minus 1. Here minus 10 into minus 60 will be in positive sign, and 60 10 is 600, and multiplied by 5 1 is 5, and the sign will be in positive, therefore 600 into 5 is equal to 3000. Here we will learn that if the integer is in negative sign and their counting is in even, therefore the result will be in positive, and therefore 3 multiplied by 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 3 6 times is equal to 729, and the result will be in positive. Here minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into 200 times. Students, if -1 multiplied by 200 times means even times, therefore the result will be in positive, and multiplication of 1 200 times will be 1. Therefore -1 into -1 into -1 200 times is equal to 1. Now students, you are remind once more that stationery shops are opening. Purchase your books and copies so that you can do your work in fair copies. Now here is your homework. Homework is first your all alternate remaining sums from here. Means I have solved first and not second, therefore second is here. Third but not fourth is here. Therefore all alternate sums of 1 is here in your homework. In second also all alternate sums are remaining in the homework, and in third one all alternate remaining sums are here. You will solve this homework in your fair copy